ophthalmic artery தான் நம்மளுக்கு major arterial supply. It arises from internal carotid artery. இந்த ophthalmic artery various branches கொடுக்கும். இதில் ஐல என்னென்ன branch supply ஆகுதோ அதை மட்டும்தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். இன்னும் சில ophthalmic arteries which doesn't supply eye, அதை வந்து நான் exclude பண்ணியிருக்கேன். First, central retinal artery penetrates into optic nerve from inferior portion 10 to 15 mm behind the eyeball. Further branches to ora serrata, supply inner 6 layers of retina excluding fovea, doesn't supply for fovea. Next, lacrimal artery. It arises lateral to optic nerve, supply lacrimal gland. It further gives branch called lateral palpebral artery which supplies for lateral portion of eyelid. Next, posterior ciliary artery. It arises from lateral and medial aspect of optic nerve. This further gives two types of branches called short posterior ciliary artery and long posterior ciliary artery. These are short and limited to posterior zone. Supplies choroid, outer 4 retinal layers. Optic nerve head is supplied by anastomotic ring of short posterior ciliary artery called circle of Zinhalen. It supplies to fovea. Also, a special type of short posterior ciliary artery called cilioretinal artery supplies inner 6 layers of retina too. Next, long posterior ciliary artery travels to anterior portion of eyeball, pierce sclera and enter into suprachoroidal space, then supplies ciliary body. This, along with the anterior ciliary artery, forms major arterial circle of iris. Next, muscular artery. It have two types called medial muscular artery and lateral muscular artery. Medial muscular artery supplies to medial rectus, inferior oblique and inferior rectus. Lateral muscular artery supplies to lateral rectus, levator palpebral superioris, superior oblique and superior rectus. Branch of recti muscular arteries is known as anterior ciliary artery. These supplies limbus and conjunctiva. Anterior ciliary artery along with long posterior ciliary artery forms major arterial circle of iris. From here rises radial arteries. These radial arteries together anastomose near pupil forming minor arterial circle of iris. Next, medial palpebral artery. This rises from the lateral portion of eyeball. This have two types called superior medial palpebral artery and inferior medial palpebral artery. Supplies medial portion of eyelid. Lateral palpebral artery and medial palpebral artery together forms 3 arches. They are superior peripheral arch, superior marginal arch and inferior marginal arch.